yesterday, I have just showed you some basic HTML tags. I hope that you all are remembering it. And today I told you that some images, how to put the image in between the web page. Today the main motto is our on that. How I will make you learn that thing. Now here I want to say you few things. Since our learning scope is very limited, means uh, yes, it is limited. Okay. So here, first of all, excuse me. I want to show you few things. Few things means in which means you are if you are going to learn the advanced HTML, from where you will get to see that. So there is one website called W3 Schools HTML. I hope that many one of you already know it. Okay. So this are you able to see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So if this website you are going to open, you will just going to see that everything is there. Okay, so that much is also not needed. Up to home means home and the basic things is you only need. Okay. So here from here I am just going to show you the images, because I have seen that they are having nice everything over here. Means that the part is very clear. Okay. Now here I am just going to say you few things. First of all, I think you can yes. Now here you can see the image. While we are going to put any image, we have to use img tag. img src means image source. It is just defining, and whatever the picture name, if it is in your text of the picture name is pic1 or pic2 or whatever it is, give the picture name and the correct extension. Here JPG they have used, but sometimes JPEG also means also the proper format. So here you can see in this website, why I am referring, there is one option, try it yourself. Just for a while you will go and try it yourself. You will able to see the exact kind of the HTML format or HTML codes over there. Can you see that? Just
Yes, ma'am.
forget this
Yes, ma'am.
the ads.
Yes,
Google is
ma'am.
always giving some ads. Okay. Uh, Now here you can see that doc type HTML. This is not a mandatory line. So from HTML you can start. And if you are just going to use any image, the image should be like that. Okay. So I am requesting you, please write some few lines means please write the questions that how to insert image in a HTML, how to insert a image in HTML, and after that please write the code. After that please write the code. Now here alt, width and height, these three more attributes are there. ALT means suppose your internet connection is very slow or it is not coming properly. ALT means this picture will not show that time. Here the text will show. Width and height, I think this is very easy. how the image will show in the web page that is mentioned over here. So please write the heading, how to insert image in HTML, and write the code, because this type of simple codes I used to give, means give in the exam. You need to write it. Okay, anything. I am just interested in the what should I say, in the syntax, that you have learned the syntax correct or incorrect.
Hello, I can't hear you.
I am not saying anything right now. Right now, I'm telling that write the heading, that how to insert image in HTML, and write the code what is showing on the screen. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Ma'am, in this site we can go without using PC and run it.
Yes, without PC you can go and you can learn it, because the run option is there. Okay, so you can just run the code over there, and you will see that what is the real scenario. Okay, you just write it, and I am going to show you that how the exact scenarios are happening. Without PC you can learn it, and this website is actually saturated with information, means exact what syntax is doing, what tag is doing what, exact scenarios, exactly the output you will able to see. But not from your book you are going to learn everything, because book is written everything but not given the mandatory part.
Yes, ma'am, written.
Written, all of you?
Yes, ma'am, written.
Okay, so someone told me that from this website, yes, you here you can see the run while you are just pressing on run. uh, this is actually output. One time I have run it, that is why it has shown over here. Okay, so let's go to the,
Ma'am, this is the output
yes,
HTML image.
this is the output. So clearly you are having a view exactly what is going on.
Okay, ma'am. And here we can do Java, C++,
It's
S.
everything, SQL, Python, PHP, Bootstrap, and not
And it's a
only
very
that,
good
uh, means, the thing is over here, from this website, the basic thing you will learn, but in the reality, you need to learn a lot. Now, I am requesting you to write this part, HTML images syntax. I should have told you to write this part first, because this part is necessary for the theory. Okay, suppose I am telling you what is img tag, explain it briefly and giving you 3 marks. That time you need to give you need to describe it, need to give one little example. Okay, so please write this thing. Only a few lines, it is just showing.
Ma'am, the HTML image syntax.
Yes. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Shoni. Any question, any doubt you are?
Checking. Ma'am, I have selected the can't see the screen. I can see the.
You are not able to see the screen again.
Ma'am, I can see.
Then
I am doing that. I can't see the time.
I am in the.
Ma'am, I can't see the screen. That way I tell.
Just write the HTML images syntax. Right now, you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Basically, my voice is today choked. Means there are some problems going on my teeth. I think that for that my infection has reached to my throat. So I will go to doctor in the evening. Yeah.
Ma'am, written.
Written. Okay, so everyone should say after that I will go to another one.
Yes, ma'am. Then I will read the chapter.
What?
Ma'am, it is done. Now I will read the chapter.
Read the chapter from chapter. What you have to read, I will say that thing also. Okay. Just wait for a while. Inserting
And
an
in this summary assessment, mainly exercise or inside questions which will come.
Akhil, your voice is coming to me breaking. Means only that inside questions will. I think the last question is inside. Only the inside questions will come or something like that. So can you repeat, please? Means I think for the internet it is just doing like that.
Ma'am, in S1, which type of questions inside or
Yeah,
exercise?
yeah. Exercise also I will give, inside also I will give. See, if it is, see, as a teacher we don't have a motto to give you less marks. So how I give you higher marks? I will set the question accordingly. Now, if I'm going to see that the HTML is a good chapter, it is scoring, it can score the number very well. If I'm going to give the inside question, then I will give the inside question like the way previously in the previous chapter I have not done inside questions. Why? Because I don't feel that chapter is needed much inside questions. Okay, so there is some judgment is on us. So right now, what I'm telling you to do it. Afterwards, what you means you will learn or whatever, I will make sure that thing also. Okay, so don't worry. So
Okay, ma'am.
okay, so going to the next here. URL option is there. URL means I hope that you all know that what is URL. URL is actually some address.
Uniform Research Locator.
Yes. So here URL means suppose okay. So here URL means suppose you don't want to put the image exactly. Okay, instead of you are going to use the image from the website. Okay, from any of the website or any of the Facebook or anything. So from there you are just collecting it. So how you will do? You will copy the URL and you can just put that thing into your website. Okay. So here manipulating a image. Here you can see that one GIF file, height, weight, everything it is given. Okay. So here the thing is the book also I can't see very properly. Here in this code is much complicated to understand. Here you will see image source is this much big thing is written. Now from that website you can able to learn the maximum thing whatever is needed. But few things still I have not covered. If you are having computer and if you are going to use the image, okay, then I am suggesting you to just make one folder first in the desktop. In that folder only, you will keep the image. You will write the HTML code. You will do everything. Okay, how you will able to do? I'm just going to stop the share and I will just going to show you.
Ma'am, the Blu-ray book is also written by HTML codes.
Thank you for sharing the information. Suppose here, can you see my screen?
Yes,
Web
ma'am.
page is given. Okay, suppose
Yes.
I just make it first in the side of my right side. Here first I will make one folder first. Okay, one basic web page we all have made. New folder. Suppose I'm going to give going to give the name like what is the name? Suppose giving class 8. Okay, and in this folder you can give your name and everything. You just cut it, Control X, and here in this folder you just paste it, Control V. Right now the web page is inside my folder. Okay. Now like this way you can do. Now the thing is here now one problem is there. I was just checking that time. Here this type of HTML file somewhere it is set that it will be opening by means by the what can I say by Chrome or any kind of browser. But actually, in the reality, it can be opened in other machines. If we are going to open with the notepad file also getting open, there we can change anything. So, okay, here I will show. Now, here in this folder, that is separate thing. I will go on that day. Suppose from pictures I want to give some pictures. Okay, suppose I'm going to give you the screenshots. This screenshots again I'm going to use screenshots only. I am going to use screenshots. Suppose these screenshots I am going to take, and here first in this folder only I will keep the screenshot. Okay. Now here in this property you can go and check what is the file name, what is the extension. Okay, everything you can check and you can write the code afterwards. First keep the image inside one folder, write whatever code you have written, write the code on that, and then only you run. Why? If you are going to do that, you don't have to specify any path. Okay, otherwise you need to write a big path like this way. Here you can see that how the path is showing on C user Ritika desktop class A. Like this way, entire path you need to copy down and you need to insert in the code. Okay. So this is only one part I have covered today. So back at your home, today your task is very easy. Just try to read it, try to figure it out that from your websites that which part is written in the image code, which part is use the img tag or img related tag. Okay, so I hope that afterwards you will be able to understand the,
Yes, ma'am, I am doing this.
you are doing this very good. So rest of you, please go through it at least once today. Only then I will be going to the next whatever is there. I have not seen still now. Whatever is there in the next chapter means next part of this chapter. Okay, this is a kind of the problem is like that now since the physical class is not there, you will not get the practical anyhow. So you need to do it like this. Viditya is a regular student, means she